Hello everybody, welcome. And today as well we have got you some useful video for you all. In this video I'll show you how you can actually use Walmart Scan and Go. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we will step into our video. So first of all, go get your access to your Walmart app, and you're gonna go to shop option, which will be the first phase that you will see if you have exited. Then you're gonna go ahead afterwards, tap on this option called services beside the search. This will show you the services it provides, including this share tools, and you can see Walmart members benefits Scan and Go. You can see this is mentioned below right over here. You can go ahead, tap on it first, and it shows there sign up for Walmart Plus to use Scan and Go. With Scan and Go you can scan your items, bag as you go, pay with your phone, get your exit pass, and receive. These are the services Scan and Go provides for you. And for that matter, you will have to sign up for Walmart Plus. If you haven't got a subscription for it, you cannot use this service. Tap on this try Walmart Plus for free, and now it will shows this 30-day free trial for you. Tap on this try Walmart Plus free, and now you will have to add in the payment method for you to purchase that monthly. You can go ahead, use it for a month. If it's really useful for you, you can actually continue. If it's not, you can leave it. So this is the way you can actually use it. I hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching this. I'll see you guys in our next video.